my sacreds, welcome back to the Secrets of the Sacred. So today I'm back with another general reading. This is a general reading. This is not a pick a pile, pick a card, whatever. So today I'm going to read about who is really missing you right now, who is really thinking of you right now. Now, I don't know what energy will come, so it can be a friend, it can be a lover, it can be anyone, okay? I'm just picking up on the collective's energy, so it won't resonate with each and every one of you watching, but I hope it does with you because this is a collective reading, this is a general reading, right? Okay, so let us start, let us see who is missing you, who is thinking about you, who is trying to talk to you, or who just wants you basically, who is just obsessing over you or thinking about you, missing you. Okay, who is this person for the collective today? If you are hearing any noise in the background, I'm so sorry. There is some work going on outside, so okay, we have two cards here. Just take one. We have the Two of Swords. So this is someone who is at a crossroads, or this is someone who is not sure, or who is trying to figure out how to react or how to act towards you right now. Now, yeah, King of Wow. Okay, we have King of Cups. So this is a person who has got feelings for you. Now this can be your person, this can be your ex, this can be someone having a crush on you, this can be a friend, this can be anyone. So this is someone who has got a crush on you, or who has got feelings for you basically, and this person is at a crossroads about how to react on those situations, or what to really bring out from those emotions. Okay, so this person is really thinking a lot about this what to do kind of aspect. Okay, so who is this person who is missing you, thinking about you? Who is this person missing you? We'll just take one card. Is it one? Yes. Okay, we have the Seven of Wands. So this person is really conflicted right now. This person is really not sure how to really act on this situation, how to really come forward, how to really maybe tell you, or really communicate, or just take any action, because this person is feeling stuck. And he's or she is not stuck because there is some external factors, but it is their mind playing games on them. It's like, yes, I want this person, I want to talk to them, I have got feelings for them, but I don't know what to do, I don't know how to react, I don't know, and I don't know. That is their situation. We have, what is this? Eight of Pentacles. Yes, so they are trying to work on this situation with you. They want to work on this situation with you guys. Who really wants to work on this? As I can see, this is someone who has not given up on this. I think this is someone who has got a lot of feelings for you. This can be a person, this can be some ex, or someone you have recently separated from, or you are in no contact with. Yeah, we have the Page of Swords. So this person is really keeping an eye on you. This person is really trying to figure out your actions, your moves, what you are doing, what you are feeling, whether you are going to accept them, whether you still have feelings for them. We have Ace of Wands. So I think they are quite passionate about this situation, this connection with you. They really want to pursue this. They really want to like have a fresh start with you. I feel that is amazing, Okay, so what can you expect from this person really? What can you expect next from this person? We have the Three of Cups and we have the World. Wow, so you can expect a reconciliation straight away. I would say you can expect a reconciliation from this person. This person is really trying to pursue you, is really trying to get you back into their life, but this person right now just doesn't know how. This person is at a crossroads right now. They don't know how to do it. They want to, they have feelings for you, they want to have this reconciliation, this fulfillment with you, this new beginning with you, but at this moment they are quite at a crossroads, like what to do, how to come forward. But they will work on this. They are keeping an eye on you. Now, for most of you, this can also be a third party situation. But I don't really feel a negative energy. I think this person will come forward and reconcile, or if this is someone who has a crush on you, they will come and propose to you. But this might take some time, because right now they're at a crossroads. They have to make this decision of really coming forward. So the card that fell on the floor was the Eight of Wands. This person is conflicted. That is the energy I'm picking up on. This person is conflicted. This person wants you. This person is also impatient at the same time, but they just don't know how to. Yes, the Four of Wands and the Lovers. Wow, this person just doesn't know how to come forward. This person just right now, they don't know. We have the bottom of the deck, we have the Chariot and the Strength. So this person right now, they just don't know how to react to the situation or what really to do. Maybe you had a fallout with this person in the past. This can be an ex, this can be someone you are already dealing with, or whatever the case, however you resonate. So this person will come forward, this person will propose to you or will reconcile with you, but this person needs some time, okay, because this person is at a crossroads, as I said. But this person is definitely keeping an eye on you. They are not sure if you are still available, if you still want them, if you still love them. So but there is a lot of love from this person's side, a lot of emotions, a lot of wanting to be with you, okay. So how long will this person take? Just an estimate of how long will this person take to come forward. We have the Four of Pentacles. This can be 4 months, this can be 4 weeks. So a month to 4 months, 1 month to 4 months is your time frame for the collective. Now again, this is a collective general reading, okay. This person is very closed off right now. When this person comes around, when this person comes back, I don't think this will be, they will express their feelings in a very gigantic sort of way, like, oh my god, I'm head over heels for you, and this and that. I don't think that. They will come forward, they will be very straightforward. I think that they want to work on this, or they thought of you a lot, they missed you a lot, and they will just start very mildly and then take this to the next level or whatever that is. So yes, that is the person who is missing you, wanting you, and kind of thinking about you obsessively, okay. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this resonated. If it did, let me know, and like, share the video. Also subscribe if you're new here, be a part of this family. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in the next reading. Till then, take care and bye bye.